In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste on laptop. Copying and pasting is one of the most useful basic computer skills because it helps you move text or images from one place to another quickly without having to retype or recreate anything. Whether you're working on a document, taking notes, or organizing information, this simple shortcut can save a lot of time. Let's start with text. First, move your cursor to the beginning of the text you want to copy. Click and hold your mouse button, then drag across the words until everything you want is highlighted. Highlighting lets your laptop know exactly what content you want to work with, so take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct section before moving on. Once the text is highlighted, press Ctrl and C at the same time if you're using a Windows laptop. If you're on a Mac, press Command and C. This copies the highlighted text to your clipboard, which is the temporary place your computer uses to store copied items. Next, click in the spot where you want the text to appear. This could be in another document, a note, an email draft, or any text field. After clicking there, press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac. Your copied text should instantly appear in that new location. If you want to highlight everything on a page at once, there's a quick shortcut for that too. Press Ctrl and A on Windows or Command and A on Mac. This selects all the text or content in the active area, which is especially helpful if you want to copy an entire document or large section at once. After everything is highlighted, you can use the same copy and paste shortcuts you just learned. You can follow the same basic process for images as well. First, highlight or select the image you want to copy. Once the image is selected, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac to copy it. Then go to the place where you want the image to appear, click there, and press Ctrl and V on Windows or Command and V on Mac to paste it. As a quick tip, always make sure you click in the correct destination before pasting, so your text or image goes exactly where you want it. With just a little practice, copy and paste will become second nature and make everyday laptop tasks much faster and easier.